There is nothing legit about this.
Donald Trump actually used a turn of phrase last week talking about that UK-US deal. He said that UK is now in the economic and security blanket of the United States. I mean, I've actually spent a few days thinking about this and trying to wrap my head around it. As somebody centrally involved in US politics, can you make sense of that?
He's not going to keep his word on anything. Ireland's doing very well. The UK is stupid. They did Brexit. They didn't think about it. It's the same thing that Trump's doing. There is no deal. Don't treat it like there's a deal with UK. It's basically some memorandum of an understanding or framework to talk later. There was no China trade. He just said it's going to be 145%. Now it's going to be 50% or something. And we all treat it like it's legit. There is nothing legit about this. He just gets up one morning and decides what he's going to steal that day and what he's going to do. And it has no idea the night before what he's going to do. This is not a serious person.